Hey guys, guess what? It's time for another advent calendar unboxing. This time it's from Sephora. It's the Wishing You advent calendar. If you guys would like to hear more and see what's inside, then just keep watching. So as I mentioned in my previous advent, I love unboxing advent calendars. I think you find some really interesting, unique things in them that you may not find in their regular display, in their regular collections. So this is the Wishing You advent calendar. It says 24 surprises. It says makeup, skincare, bath, and accessories. You pay $45 and you're getting $60 in value, which isn't the best deal I've seen in holiday kits and holiday advent calendars. So most likely you're probably getting some like stickers and some very low value items in here, but it's still fun. And on the back, it does tell you what's inside, but I'm not going to peek. So let's open it up. Okay, so it has a sleeve and you just slide it out. Oh, and then it opens. What is this? Wishing You. So I guess instead of committing to a holiday, it's just like wishing you whatever you celebrate. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays. Does this come out? No. Okay, well, I mean, it's gonna make it hard to get to all the doors, but we will make it work. All right, where is day number one? Here we go, day number one. Thankfully, I didn't recently do my nails. I still have my Halloween nails on. Ooh. Little beauty sponge. I use a ton of these, so this one feels pretty good. The Sephora sponges are pretty good, so I'm happy about that. Did they alternate? Day one over here, day two over here? Yes, day two is right here. And that is hyaluronic acid all day hydrator. Okay, a little sample size. I just cleaned out my sample size items too. So I can just toss it in my bag when I travel for the holidays and I don't have to bring a full size moisturizer, which is nice. All right, day three. Day three. What is this? See, like, I don't think that they should be putting washi tape in beauty advent calendars. You're buying a beauty advent calendar because you want beauty products. That's my one qualm with the Sephora advent calendars. They're not all beauty related. Like that's stationary. All right, day four. Ooh. One of their single shadows. This one is a colorful shimmer shadow and it is in the shade No Place Like Home. That's quite pretty. It's like a pale pink shimmer. I like that. Day five. Color Hit, Sephora Color Hit. I think it's just clear nail polish, but I'm not sure why it's called Color Hit. And I also got rid of most of my nail polishes, so that one will be going to probably my nieces. Five. Day six. Oh, what's this? Some sort of mask. Ooh, caffeine eye masks. I will definitely use that. Day seven. A little mirror. Now, as much as I want to say that this is like cheap, I do still use my makeup mirror from previous advent calendars from Sephora, so I will definitely get some use out of this. Day eight. What is this? Cotton Flower Creamy Body Wash. Day nine. Ooh, now we're talking. Rouge Cream Lip Stain. Ooh, I will definitely try this on at the end of the video. Stay tuned. It's day 9. Day 10 is down here. What is this? Another face mask of some sort? It's hard to hold and do at the same time. All right. Day 10 is a watermelon face mask. I think I still have this one from last year. These are really good for like after sun exposure. I'll definitely use that. So that was day 10. Day 11. is not here. It fell down, so we'll find it at some point later. Day 12, over here. Ooh, lip liner to go with that lip stain. 13, 13, 13, 13. A nail file. 14. Oh, charcoal nose strips. Those are really good for cleaning out the pores, so that's good. 15. Again, missing, must have fallen through. 16, this is probably where we'll find everything, right? Here we go. Here are the other days we've missed. Big by definition, I think a mascara and a matte shadow in the shade Flawless. Oh, that's a nice like base shadow color. And then today's is hemp cleansing wipes. I use a ton of wipes for taking off swatches, so that will come in handy. And it looks like another one kind of migrated down. Not sure what day it is, but it is a red polish. Again, going to my nieces. 16, 17. Not there. Alrighty, 18. Another mask of some sort, and this one is a cherry lip mask. Definitely using that. 19. There's another bath bomb or something. Creamy body wash in Monoi. 19, where's day 20? Day 20. What's this? Oh, a little scrunchie. I'll use that. Day 21. Most likely already fell out, right? Oh, no. Here we go. Got 2 days here. We have a clean skin gel, cleanse and tone. And we have a brightening eye cream. So some like sample skincare products that you can take with you. That was day 21. Day 22. And this looks like a eye pencil to go. They have good eye pencils. Day 23. Already fallen through. And day 24. It's kind of anticlimactic if they've all fallen through and you've already opened them. And day 24 is one of those little facial roller things. All right, so I am happy about all of the face masks, nose strips, lip mask, eye masks. Like, that's nice. I will definitely use those. I'm happy about the scrunchie and the face wipes, definitely using those. I actually just started using one of these a couple nights ago. So I'll probably keep this one maybe downstairs so that if I'm downstairs watching TV, I can just do the facial rolling while I'm watching TV. So I will use that as well. These, I don't really use a body wash, so these will probably just go in the Goodwill pile. I will definitely use the beauty sponge, so that's nice. I will use the mirror. I will use the single shadows. So I feel like I already have like a dozen things over here that I will definitely use. At least they didn't give me stickers this time. Last time it was like stickers and like a bracelet, and I'm like, why? Why? I mean, did I need another nail file? No. Did I need some washi tape? No. Did I need some more nail polish to add to my massive nail polish collection? No, I pretty much use nail strips or like the SC Express fast dry nail polish. That's kind of all I can tolerate now. Mascara, I will use. Eyeliner, maybe. The little skincare products, I guess I can just toss them in my travel bag so that I have like a cleanser and a moisturizer and an eye cream for when I'm out of town visiting family. So I mean, it's fine, but I would have preferred like makeup. And that leads me to the lip liner and lip stain. So let's wipe off my gloss and check these out. Okay, this is like bright Christmas red. Green shadow, red lips, we're doing it. Okay, liner was very easy to apply, so now let's try the lip stain. Smells like a Stila liquid lipstick. And by lip stain, I think they meant liquid lipstick. This is really pigmented for being a lip stain, but I'm glad it's a liquid lipstick because I can actually wear that for the holidays and not worry about it migrating anywhere. So there you go, red lips for the holidays. So all in all, fun to open. I definitely have like a dozen things that I'm looking forward to using and glad that I got, but we had a few that were less than exciting. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this Advent unboxing from Sephora. I'm always so excited to do Advent unboxings. I hope you guys enjoy them as much as I do. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.